again. It's a Rhinestones.
Welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's get into today's video. How long has it been since I've had no nails? Sometimes I've got no nails on that hand or that hand. I can't remember the last time I had no nails on both hands. And I was going to put some press-ons on. But I thought, no, we've all got them. They're natural nails. So, shall we get on with it? I've got a Temu haul. And before I start, for anybody that's not heard of Temu, where have you been? I think we all know about Temu now, don't we? If you've not yet downloaded the app, click the link below. Get 50% off your first order and you'll get a £100, $100 coupon bundle. Take full advantage of that. I never did because I didn't know about it in the beginning. I just downloaded the app and got nothing. And also, everything I show you and stuff that I've showed you in past videos, if you click my link below, it will take you to all my recommended items. I will also leave all individual links below as well and my discount code. If you type my discount code in the search bar, that is how it works. Right, so that's all the boring stuff out the way. Shall we get straight into it? So, I got myself some more rhinestones. I did a set of nail. What was it now? Oh, it was my sapphire birthstone nails I did. And I noticed I don't really have any blue rhinestones. Not really. So, I got these. So, it comes with a gem picker-upper. So, that's just a wax picker-upper. Yeah, gem picker-upper. This is nice. I'll leave prices for everything on the screen as well. Look at all these. Wow. So, there's 6 across and 4 down. So, it's got every single different shape you would ever need, and then it's got your round ones all along the bottom. Can I really be bothered to pull all these out? Not really. So this bottom row here starts with your big rhinestones, like this size, and then they get smaller and smaller all the way down to your little, and these are glass as well, super sparkly rhinestones. Look at them, they look really nice. And for the price, I can't get over the price. These are normally like between £12–15. And yeah, at the time, I paid £8 something. Teeny dot ones. And then we've got all the different shapes. So let's just have a quick look at some of them. So we've got your standard teardrops, squares. We've got, let's have a look at some of the different ones that you don't always get. So we've got little flowers. They're kind of pointed. They're all flat back. That is a beautiful deep royal blue, isn't it? Oh, look, we've got little bows. You don't always get them. Look. Little bows. And they are quite small. Look at the size of them. They're very small, actually. Oh, and there's a lot. Some of these compartments are really scrimpy. There's actually a lot of each shape. It's not a scrimped out one. The love hearts. Oh, we've got the flicky love hearts. So these are the love hearts that have got a little flick rather than just your standard love heart. I think it's probably got the normal shape love hearts as well, has it? Yeah, it has. So it's got the normal hearts. There, look. Let me show you the difference. Can you see the ones on the bottom? They haven't got that flick. They're just your standard shape heart. But these ones, they've got that little pointy kind of flick. And again, they're not big. They are the smaller ones. Look at all them. I'm well impressed with this for the price. So we've got big teardrops, small teardrops. We've got the little pointy teardrops. We've got the horse eyes. Yeah, they're all in there, aren't they? We've got little squares and bigger squares. They're all in there. I'm well impressed with that for the price. Really impressed. There's a lot in there, isn't there? Hell of a lot. Right, I got some nail tips. I got these for my practice hand because they did look, on the pictures, they did look very similar to these. I'm always getting asked what tips I use in my flexi hand. And it's these from Glitter Planet. And you just can't find them anywhere. They are similar, but not. Let me show you. These ones from Glitter Planet. Let me get one of my practice hands out. So these are what I use in my practice hand to act like a fake natural nail. That's a bit small. Let me get a bigger one. Yeah, this is what acts like your natural nail. You can put them in that way so it's straight, but I tend to put them in backwards just so I've got that more natural rounded shape, and that just acts like your natural nail. You can glue your tips on or whatever you're doing, but you can't find these anywhere other than Glitter Planet, and they are expensive. They're just like long kind of square tips, aren't they? Yeah, and I do get asked a lot where they are from, so I thought these looked very similar. I mean, they're very similar. Let me get one out that's a similar size. Right, let me get this off. So this is number 5. These would be brilliant for Gel-X method because they're slightly transparent as well, and they're a beautiful, beautiful shape and colour. I really, really like them. You could snip them down and have them short and just use them as a natural nail. So let's have a look. So that's putting them in with the square tip. These are going to be brilliant because they're nice and flat. Or you can put them in backwards and get that more rounded. I am well impressed with them. They are perfect. Yeah, because they've not got a massive apex on them. These are going to be brilliant to use as false nails for your practice hand. Definitely going to get some more of them. Brilliant. I think there was 240 in there, so that was a good find. I'm really happy with them. Right, I got a couple of blingy bits. I didn't get a lot. Just bring you down a little bit now. Let me get my tray out to show you. Yeah, I didn't get a lot of blingy bits. I'm starting to get Christmas stuff now. So this was a pack of 10, and these are just like, they're like little flower embellishment things, aren't they? With some rhinestones. Are they curved? Don't think they are. Oh yeah, they are. They're slightly curved. So these are just, they're like a flower with little pointed rhinestones. They would look nice on long nails. Very pretty. Can you see? Very pretty. I like them. Then I got these gold things. This was a pack of 10 as well. These are nice. So again, these are curved on the back, and it's just like 3 rhinestones in a row. Gosh, these are sparkly. I like this colour gold as well. I'm not too keen on the bright yellow gold. This is more of a 9 carat kind of colour, isn't it? And they would just go down the middle of a nail as well. They're nice, aren't they? I can't believe how sparkly they are. They are so sparkly. Very pretty. I like them. Right, and I think this is it for the bling this time. These are adorable. These only came in a pack of 3. Why is it the cutest things only come in a pack of 3? Guys, look at the size of these tiddy little things. I thought they were big, like this kind of size, but they're not. They're tiny. This is my pinky, so it'll give you an idea of the size. Teeny tiny little reindeers. These are curved as well, so I'll put it on my pinky. Look at this. Oh, so for its body it's got a teeny rhinestone, and for its nose it's got a pearl, and it's got little antlers. They are absolutely adorable little things, aren't they? Oh, right, I got some stickers. Starting to get my Christmas stuff. So I've got these ones. So these are that 5D embossed kind of sticker. So they're like sweater nails, plaid nails. I love all these little white snowflakes, loads of them. Yeah, there's a couple of the sweater type nails. Look at these little bears, little hearts. Very cute sticker sheet, isn't it? They would have to go on quite short nails, kind of that length. Actually, no, they're quite long. Ooh, love them. And these are, so this was a pack of 2. Oh, this one's got little mitts, little teddy bears, love hearts. We've got more. Oh, look at the size of these teeny tiny hearts. This is a pretty one. I love these snowflakes. Very cute. Right, I got this glitter and I'm so happy with it. I wasn't sure if it was going to be what I wanted, but it is perfect. I wanted a glitter that looked like snow, so I didn't want holographic or iridescent. I wanted it just white, sparkly like snow, and it does. It just looks like snow. It's just got that little tiny little twinkle to it like you get with snow, hasn't it? Just looks like snow. No colour shift to it or anything. Exactly what I wanted, so I'm really happy with that. Right, I got some stamping plates. The prices of these was just crazy. That's the first time I have ever had instructions with a stamping plate. That's cool. So this has just got all shapes on it. That's the number there, but I don't think it's relevant. It shows pictures on the listing. I got this mostly for the checkerboard effect. I like these little plain flowers as well. It's a cool plate. Then this one. This one's smart. So this one's good to use with French tips. So you would just stamp that onto the end of your nail. We've got all the plain curved lines. And then we've got all these wavy ones. Oh look, we've got the hearts and the stars. I like that, that's different. And lastly for the plates, we've got this one. Oh, so this has got all snakes on it. Look at this big guy. So you could just use this as a background for something. We've got a spider web there. I like this butterfly here. We've got little ladybirds, scorpions. We've even got a rose. Wasps, more spiders. Another butterfly and a dragonfly. Oh, look at this random little, like, bear print. All different snakes on there. I like this one. Is it a python, do you call it? Oh, and we've got a random little bat. Another bat. I like that plate, that's different as well. Not seen that before. Right, what else did I get? Oh, I got some rings, guys. 28 pence these were. Let me bring you out a bit. 28 pence. I don't know if they're still going to be that price, but 28 pence. I couldn't believe it. All these for 28 pence. So we've got just a plain metal band. I'm not going to be able to fit all these on. Another plain band. A twisted one. Another little plain thing. Some of them are quite plain, but 28 pence. So let's get all the little plain ones out first and stick all them somewhere. Oh, I like this one. That on there. I like these. Look at these. Oh, we've got another plain one. Look at all these. This is crazy. Right, we'll get to the pretty ones now. We've got a pretty little love heart. Cute, cute little butterfly. We've got another plain one there. I can't get over these. Look at this one with the pearls on. Stick that there. This is crazy. Oh, I like this one. Look at this one. I've already got one of these. I love these. Stick that on my thumb. These are resizable. More love hearts. A couple more plain ones. I like this one. Staffordshire knot. Wow, look at all these for 28 pence. Another plain one. Right, that's it. All these 28 pence. I like this wavy one. Butterfly. I like these crisscrossy ones. I like these plain silver bands. They're handy to just fill in little gaps. This one's a double one. Another crisscrossy one. Love art. Oh gosh. Look at all these. 28 pence. Right, what else did I get? Oh, I got some more magnets for my tip cutters, because they help you cut your tips the same size. So for anybody that doesn't know the hack, so if you've got a nail tip on, you can put your magnets there, or if you want them shorter, you take some of the magnets off. But if you've got really long nail tips on, you press the magnets against your fingertip like that and snip the nail on every finger, so you know you're cutting that nail tip the same length on every finger. Or if you want them a little bit shorter, same thing, press the magnet against your fingertip and snip, same again, and snip, and you get all your nails the same length. Isn't that cool? So we got them. Right, I got some magnetic powder. So this is what they use to make cat eyes. This is the actual pigment, metallic pigment. Look at this. So I'm not going to do anything with this today. Let me just get a little bit of it in the lid. I don't want to lose too much. Right, so I've put some in the lid. I will show you this in another video, guys. Let me get a magnet. I'm just going to get a weak magnet. So let's see what it does. Oh, can you see it's all stuck? It's all stuck to my thingy. Look at this. This is crazy stuff. This is crazy stuff. You just mix this pigment into a gel and you use your magnet on it just like you do with cat eye gels. I don't know what colour this is. It looks silver. Very nice. This is so cool. Oh, I can't get it off. I can't get it off my magnet. Yeah, this was available in all different colours. I just got one colour to try it. Oh, I'm covered in it. But if it is any good, I'll get some more. Stick that back in there. Right, so lastly for today, I got some more of these. I don't know if anyone will have saw in one of my last Temu hauls, I got a pot of these. These are the silicone mouldy things that go inside your jewel forms. These, let me show you. These silicone things that everybody's been using in jewel forms. It's these, but all different shapes. So we've got 4-pointed star ones, snakes. Look at these snakes. I've still not had a play with these jewel form things. I have got a video lined up, so stay tuned for that. 4-pointed stars. Oh, a bit late for these, but we've got little ghosties, look. They would have been perfect for Halloween. Little silicone ghosts, and these are reusable. Oh, we've got more butterflies. Big ones, small ones. We've got a bigger one there, and I think we've got medium ones as well. Look at all these butterflies. I can't wait to have a play with these. We've got flowers. Can you see the flowers? Love hearts, all different size hearts, big ones, small ones. And then we've got crosses. Can you see the crosses? And again, we've got bows, all different size bows, big ones, small ones. These are so cute. This was the other pack that I got, just so you can see what's available. So that's my new pack with the snakes and the stars, ghosts, butterflies. And this was the other pack I got a few weeks ago. This one's got butterflies, but this one's got different shaped stars, different shaped flowers, round ones, square ones, diamonds, straight lines, wavy lines. I think to start with, we'll have a play with these ones just to get a feel for how they work and how they behave. And then I think we'll progress onto the more advanced ones. Anyway, guys, that is going to be it for today. I will leave links to everything in my description box. I will leave a link for the app to download. Don't forget to take advantage of the discount code. If you're a new user, get 50% off. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, guys, as well. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.